Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today, we will explore how to build a healthy diet and lose weight effectively without fasting or strict diets. If you want a beautiful body and good health, don't miss it. Part 1. Basic Principles of a Healthy Diet. A healthy diet not only helps maintain a reasonable weight but also provides energy, improves health, and prevents many diseases. So what are the important principles that help you build a scientific and effective diet? Let's find out now. 1. Balanced nutrition. A healthy diet needs to ensure adequate provision of essential nutrient groups, including carbohydrates, found in whole grains, fruits, vegetables. Protein, found in lean meat, fish, eggs, nuts, and beans. Healthy fats, found in olive oil, avocado, nuts. Vitamins and minerals, found in green vegetables, fruits, milk, and dairy products. Fiber, aids digestion, found in vegetables, fruits, whole grains. 2. Eat the right portion, don't eat too much. Controlling your food portions helps maintain a reasonable weight and avoid excess energy. You can use smaller bowls and plates to avoid overeating. Eat slowly. Chew thoroughly to feel full in time. Avoid eating while watching television or working to avoid losing control of your food intake. 3. Prioritize fresh foods. Limit processed foods. Processed foods often contain a lot of sugar, salt, and preservatives that are harmful to your health. Prioritize fresh fruits and vegetables, minimally processed. Organic foods or foods with clear origins. Reduce consumption of canned foods and fast foods. 4. Drink enough water every day. Water plays an important role in metabolism and sustaining life. Make sure to drink at least 1.5 to 2 liters of water per day. Limit sugary drinks and carbonated soft drinks. Drink water as soon as you feel thirsty to avoid dehydration. 5. Reduce sugar and salt intake. Limit refined sugar in cakes, candies, and soft drinks. Use natural sweeteners such as honey and coconut sugar. Reduce salt in your meals and avoid processed foods that are high in sodium. 6. Maintain regular eating habits. Eating on time helps your body function more effectively. Do not skip breakfast to avoid affecting your metabolism. Eat 3 main meals and add healthy snacks. Do not eat too late in the evening to avoid storing excess fat. 7. Combine diet with exercise. A healthy diet will be most effective when combined with regular exercise. Choose suitable exercises such as walking, yoga, and gym. A healthy diet is not about strict abstinence, but about eating scientifically to keep your body full of energy. Start with small changes in your eating habits to have a healthier life. Part 2. Popular diets today. Today, the need for health and body shape is increasingly concerned, leading to the emergence of many different diets. Each diet has its own principles to help lose weight, improve health, or support a healthy lifestyle. Let's learn about the most popular diets today. 1. Keto diet. The ketogenic diet is a diet that focuses on drastically reducing starch and replacing it with healthy fats, helping the body burn fat instead of carbohydrates. Principles. Cut carbs to less than 50 g/day. Increase fat from olive oil, avocado, salmon, and supplement enough protein. Advantages. Supports rapid weight loss, stabilizes blood sugar, enhances brain function. Disadvantages. Can cause initial fatigue because the body is not used to it and can easily lack vitamins and minerals if the menu is not balanced. 2. Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet is inspired by the eating style of Mediterranean coastal countries, famous for its cardiovascular benefits. Principle. Prioritize fresh foods such as vegetables, fruits, fish, olive oil, and limit red meat and processed foods. Advantages. Rich in antioxidants, helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and increase longevity. Disadvantages. Weight loss is slower than strict diets. 3. Low-carb diet. The low-carb diet helps you lose weight by limiting the amount of carbohydrates in your diet. Principle. Reduce the amount of starch from rice, bread, pasta, and increase protein and healthy fats. Advantages. Supports belly fat loss, good blood sugar control. Disadvantages: can cause cravings for starch and initial energy deficiency. 4. Vegetarian diet. Vegetarianism is not only a trend but also a choice to help protect the environment and improve health. Principle: limit or eliminate animal meat. Focus on plant foods such as beans, seeds, vegetables. Advantages: rich in fiber, reduces cholesterol, good for the heart. Disadvantages: need to supplement enough protein and vitamin B12 to avoid nutritional deficiencies. 5. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a method of controlling eating time to optimize metabolism. Principle: only eat within a certain period of time. The most popular is the 16:8 method, fasting for 16 hours, eating within 8 hours. Advantages: effectively supports weight loss, improves cell function, prolongs life. Disadvantages: may cause hunger, dizziness, and is not suitable for people with special medical conditions. Choosing the right diet. Each diet has its own advantages and disadvantages. The most important thing is that you need to choose the method that suits your body, goals, and health condition. Part 3. Common mistakes when losing weight. Losing weight is a journey that requires persistence and proper knowledge. However, many people fall into common pitfalls that make the process more challenging or ineffective. Here are some frequent mistakes and how to avoid them to achieve sustainable and scientific weight loss. 1. Skipping meals excessively. Many believe that skipping meals will speed up weight loss, but in reality, it can have the opposite effect. Consequences: the body enters a state of energy deficiency, slowing down metabolism, increasing hunger cravings, and leading to overeating later. Solution: instead of skipping meals, maintain a balanced diet with all essential nutrients. 2. Completely cutting out carbs. Carbohydrates are often blamed for weight gain, but eliminating them entirely may not be the best approach. Consequences: lack of energy, muscle loss, and impaired brain function. Solution: instead of cutting carbs entirely, choose healthy sources such as oats, brown rice, and sweet potatoes. 3. Focusing only on the scale. Many people obsess over the number on the scale without considering other body changes. Consequences: frustration when weight loss isn't immediate, overlooking positive changes like fat loss and muscle gain. Solution: track progress using body measurements, clothing fit, or progress photos. 4. Overexercising without adjusting diet. Exercise is an important part of weight loss, but without a proper diet, results may be limited. Consequences: exhaustion, increased hunger, and overeating. Solution: combine moderate exercise with a nutritious diet for optimal results. 5. Relying too much on diet foods and zero-calorie drinks. Many believe that diet-labeled products or zero-calorie drinks are completely harmless. Consequences: these products may contain artificial sweeteners that affect appetite and metabolism. Solution: opt for fresh, natural foods instead of heavily processed diet products. 6. Lack of sleep and chronic stress. Sleep and mental health play a crucial role in weight management. Consequences: lack of sleep increases ghrelin, hunger hormone, and chronic stress raises cortisol, promoting fat storage. Solution: ensure 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night and practice relaxation techniques such as meditation or yoga. Part 4. Effective weight loss meal plan and dishes. Losing weight in a healthy and sustainable way requires a well-structured meal plan and carefully selected dishes. Choosing the right foods can help boost metabolism, reduce cravings, and provide essential nutrients while keeping calorie intake in check. Below is a detailed guide to effective weight loss meals and dishes. Key principles for a successful weight loss meal plan. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Include lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich carbohydrates. Control portion sizes and avoid overeating. Stay hydrated and avoid sugary drinks. Plan meals and snacks to maintain energy levels throughout the day. Weight loss-friendly foods. Lean proteins, chicken breast, turkey, fish, tofu, eggs, and legumes. Healthy fats, avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon. Fiber-rich carbs, quinoa, brown rice, sweet potatoes, and whole grains. Vegetables and fruits, leafy greens, berries, apples, carrots, and bell peppers. Low-calorie snacks, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, nuts, hummus with vegetables. Sample meal plan for weight loss. 1 grilled salmon with quinoa salad. A protein-packed dish with omega-3 fatty acids from salmon and fiber from quinoa. Ingredients: salmon fillet, quinoa, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, lemon juice, olive oil. Instructions: grill salmon, cook quinoa, and mix with veggies and dressing. 2 avocado and egg toast. A perfect balance of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Ingredients: whole grain bread, avocado, boiled egg, salt, pepper. Instructions: mash avocado, spread on toast, add sliced egg, and season. 3 stir-fried tofu with vegetables. A plant-based protein dish that is nutritious and satisfying. Ingredients: tofu, bell peppers, broccoli, garlic, soy sauce. Instructions: stir-fry tofu until golden, add vegetables, and season with soy sauce. 4 Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. A delicious and nutritious snack or dessert. Ingredients: Greek yogurt, mixed berries, almonds, chia seeds. Instructions: mix all ingredients and enjoy. 5 chicken and vegetable soup. A warm, comforting meal that is low in calories and high in nutrients. Ingredients: chicken breast, carrots, celery, onions, garlic, chicken broth. Instructions: boil all ingredients until cooked and serve hot. Final tips for effective weight losses. Stick to whole, natural foods as much as possible. Prepare meals in advance to avoid unhealthy choices. Adjust portion sizes based on activity levels. Combine a healthy diet with regular physical activity. By following this meal plan and incorporating these weight loss-friendly dishes, you can achieve your health and fitness goals while enjoying delicious and nutritious food. Part 5. How to maintain a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is not just about reaching your goal, but also about sustaining it over the long term. Many people struggle with weight fluctuations due to unhealthy habits and temporary diet solutions. Here's a detailed guide on how to effectively maintain your weight while staying healthy and energized. 1. Adopt a balanced diet. 2. Maintain an active lifestyle. Strength training. Building muscle boosts metabolism and helps burn calories efficiently. 3. Manage stress and sleep well. Prioritize sleep. Lack of sleep affects hunger hormones and increases cravings. Manage stress. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, leading to weight gain. Practice relaxation techniques. Activities like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing can help. 4. Monitor your progress. Weigh yourself regularly. Check your weight weekly to stay on track. 5. Stay consistent and flexible. Adapt to changes. Adjust your routine based on lifestyle or health conditions. Find enjoyable activities. Choose workouts and meals you genuinely enjoy to make them sustainable. So I have finished sharing the secrets of healthy eating to help lose weight effectively. Hope this video will be useful for you. If you find it interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support me. Thank you everyone, and see you in the next video.